since there are so many people who are who have obstacles. There are many obstacles, external obstacles, internal obstacles, secret obstacles. External obstacles such as like the war, earthquakes, floods, fire, etc. Inner obstacle is that you have so many disease, different kind of pandemics and disease. Secret obstacle is your own defilements like desire, anger, jealousy, etc. So all this, to pacify all this, is the Vajrakilaya cargo blessings. Because Vajrakilaya is the manifestation of all the Buddha's activities in order to pacify all the obstacles in the form of wrathful king of wrathful deities. And so for this, that I will give you the Vajrakilaya cargo blessings. And so this way, it is a very Vajrakilaya. All deities are same, but Vajrakilaya is very special in Sakya, because the Sakya's current hereditary lineage and the Vajrakilaya teaching lineage is almost same, almost continued, same, starting from the Guru Pema Sambhava until now, unbroken blessings of lines. So it's very special. So I'm giving these cargo blessings. Om Sumba Ne Sumba Hum Be Om Garana Garana Hum Be Om Garana Bay Garana Bay Hum Om Naya Hum Bangal Be Raja Hum De Om Betrakili Kila Sa Binimendom Dita Zarana Nam Betakota Hungara Hungata Katam Betakota Bitayon Nam Betakota Nila Dana Dadam Yamintagom Batumatakota Yardalam Bindamatakota and Go Holo Abara to down to the Matakota in the Kundara was the Nom Batakota Teloja Vita in the Matakota Mambala Pota Bembazaya Genome Zabatabera Badamidam Panzamara Nerum Ho Jo Maramim Kala Rubaning Dala Yam Yam Sotala Yam Yam Nila De Sola Tum Tuta Sola Tum Reading Da Sola Ning Tata Uro Shishi Gu Nanya Sosa Dadu Mashirigara Kamangara Marasana Barmanda Num Beyanda Uzovas Yeshuku Sambologu Dodges and Batoku Majana Kano Suma Kuntoshi Gajara and the Gosrin Java Contoshara, Gajo, Gadonga, Babu, Kajala, the Java Java Karavan, but the son of the Makujurum, but the Ravaka, the Gajus, like a bit of the Conda, Java, and the Purumba Kunga, Sunday, Gandam, Kunsi, Kamaraji, the Shizala Matamasana, the lodging way, the Tishi, Java, Naka Jasa Tashin Jagara Shirajan Jang was Nanga Janga Gompunga Jasona Munga Jatavala to Jung was Nanga Sana Junga Jung Jasona Jasajunga to Tijuan the Yumama the Noah Junga just distant resident in the Jungan Tajutilla in the Dajaga Jazara Madame Marita Chingurja Chatan Barsaja Mangajala Matuji Jambaya, Dodgin Chamang, Kungar Jetavijan Baso, Garden Tuma Majivishan, and Dazagat Zala Madame Mitovichara, the Turkish Dembakan Shigio, Rida Jingo Jazz Jotagolo, the Turkish Batosis and all the Shemening Botaja Travijan Baso, 가진 정말 집이 시작한데 다가가 자서 쇼run도 지도 맞좀 뭔가를 듣는 뭐를 괜찮다 현재 탑지게 뭐도 진짜 잠바잠베 성부장군 천수도 진짜 시기를 제라만 도지제 나올을 이제 집게 되전 도지제 나온 처rol이 시켜서로서 어떻게 받는 것만 상하진단게 dem시로란 좀 대손 탐진자도 저거도 저거는 사단도 맞는 당도 산던 지월진네 봐 어떤도 사다긴네 봐 벌도 좀 붙자든네 봐 당난 가진 바지 믿음 비서도 니어시 되겠어서 바지냐 달래 버는데 건데 베신게도 선배는 지서던 버리시도 지라다 donro jazm bazene tuida do so da jabada bada go chilada manza do so ja suje de mitro da toja do jisne de ro da de la sujende wa maji jomba da jara jombe so da jara jombe ombe da jara jombe so gari do la ji shwa de midine ve da tawa de var jombe tashi de janda de le joma se na ta ye do jesu gotava me gondolo jimet Tanti wanja dhoye bhaji se bhava june nidhi dhoye ja thando japa sada loa miso wadu chukaji bhaji shingero jishimangu dho mahamara nijayunde guri bhama karti bindi jan ayuse deshi lo jatsu shidde jata wadu surinde midi ji tekwa shola ngebar chungwa tashi te jata andri de le sho